my gosh, Spy Ninjas! We went down to the hatch and we found Chad passed out like this! Yeah, Chad! Wake up!
What is going on down here?
Daniel, is that you?
Oh, I heard you guys screaming from all the way up there, so I figured I'd come down. What is this place?
Chad's passed out.
Oh, you know what? I know how to revive him. Mouth to mouth. Yes, that's what he needs. Watch this.
Daniel, what are you doing? That's my job!
I'm pretty sure my lips have the magic touch.
Wait, it's waking up! No, Chad! Oh my gosh, are you okay?
What time is it? Wait, I remember I went down the hatch. Yeah, I came down here. It was really dark. I couldn't see anything. I found a black device. I turned a knob on it. A bunch of smoke came out. And that's all I remember. I must have passed out from the smoke.
But you're feeling okay? Wait.
I feel fine.
What's my name?
Danny boy.
Kind of, yeah.
Chad, when's our wedding anniversary?
Anyway, I was over here messing with this thing.
Wait, is your memory gone?
This thing has a knob on it, so just don't turn this knob, okay?
All right, yeah. I don't want to pass out like you did.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
What the hell?
What is that? Melvin!
Oh, those were your buttocks?
Wow, so this is where everybody's at.
We were talking about this device here. It says biohazard on it. It's got a warning symbol over here. Like, look, what does that symbol mean there? It looks scary.
But Melvin, Chad lost his memory a little bit. He doesn't remember our wedding anniversary.
My memory sure is foggy. I don't know why I can't remember that date. Is this what Project Zorgo is trying to get to? Is this device here or something? Because they really want to get into that hatch. They really want to find the safe house. I mean, look, this is a triangle. Project Zorgo always uses a triangle symbol. Is this Project Zorgo symbol?
Guys, this is why I didn't want to open the hatch. Remember? We saw those lights. It said, do not open.
But that might have been Project Zorgo telling us not to open this because they wanted it for themselves.
Yeah, we don't know who sent that message.
I was barely there, so I don't remember.
Did you lose your memory too?
No.
When's our anniversary?
It's July 31st!
My memory! It just came back. V, our anniversary is July 31st. Yes! I'm back to normal. Back to normal.
Chad, what have you been doing the past 24 hours?
Well, you guys, you passed me down that Taco Bell. As you can see, I've been eating some Taco Bell while I'm here, and then I was just so bored. So I checked to see if there was any Wi-Fi signal down here, and there was. So I started playing Lords Mobile, and before I knew it, I was playing hours and hours of Lords Mobile, and there is a huge donation and massive giveaway. Check this out. Lords Mobile is so fun. I just love competing against V, Melvin, Daniel, Regina. Lords Mobile is one of the largest mobile games in the world. There's millions of active players worldwide. It's the perfect game to kill some free time. You can play it anywhere, lunch break at school, or even when you're stuck in an underground bunker like me. Why play a long and tedious game when you can just enjoy destroying massive armies with one simple tap? You can upgrade your cities, level up your heroes, make alliances with friends, or attack enemies with thousands of troops. You can even line up your heroes and troops in special formations for a really epic real-time battle. And what's really awesome with Lords Mobile is for every download that you guys do, please do download it because they're gonna donate $1 to the Make-A-Wish Foundation!
Oh my Lords Mobile.
That's amazing. You guys may not know, but we just did a Make-A-Wish Foundation wish. We just granted 2 kids their wish to meet and hang out with us. Shout out to Mateo and Fergus. We're showing a picture right here. You guys are awesome. And that's not all. Everyone who downloads the game through the link in the description will receive an in-game gift worth $350 and automatically be entered for the huge giveaway. They're giving away iPhone 11 Pros, Nintendo Switches, Alienware M15 gaming laptops, and $10,000 in cash. No matter how many downloads, Lords Mobile will donate a minimum of $50,000 to Make-A-Wish. And any download will count as $1 up to a total of $100,000.
Wow.
Whoa!
Oh my God.
That's so exciting!
Show him some support.
So after this video, make sure to go to the link underneath the video and download it. Anyway, guys, I told you enough about what I've been doing down here for the past 24 hours. What have you guys been doing for the past 24 hours?
Okay, well, Chad, I can't wait to tell you about this.
Yeah.
Like yesterday,
What was that noise?
What was that?
You hear that?
Whoa! Oh!
What is that? I heard it. I heard something. It was like a...
I'm scared. I'm scared. I need to go out of here. I want to go home.
Shh, you shut your mouth.
There's tons of cabinets in here. There might be something in these cabinets that's important that Project Zorgo is trying to find. Let's split up and open the cabinets, okay?
Okay.
Okay, not a lot of places to search, man.
I'll go this way.
There's a lot of us down here.
No.
Let's split up. This place is huge. Just that's a joke.
Get back here.
I'm just checking over here.
Hey, there's nothing up there for you.
No.
Oh, that's locked.
Where's my phone?
That's locked. They're all locked. Okay.
What about over there, Regina?
Oh, no, I'm scared. Should I open
Regina.
it? It's locked.
Ah.
I'm kind of glad they're locked.
Whoa.
Oh, whoa.
Nothing to be excited about. It's just another triangle symbol between these pipes.
All right, what are these drawers here? Ew, what are these stains, Chad?
Don't even touch it. It could be like goo. They're all locked.
They're all locked? Are you
I thought
sure?
it was probably cheese from your quesarito.
No. I would not waste Taco Bell food, please.
Well, I guess that's all the cabinets.
Melvin, check one of those cupboards over there.
We almost got it!
Did you hear that? Did you guys hear that?
What? It sounded like a toot.
A flute toot?
No, a toot that's coming out of your bum.
It wasn't me. It was coming over by Melvin.
It was Melvin's bum. It was Melvin's bum.
What? That's not how you're supposed to play the flute. Come on.
It's too much fiber.
Well, we all had some of that Taco Bell earlier.
It's locked.
Wait, what was that?
Dude, that sounded like a person. Was that one of you guys mumbling?
Maybe it's Regina.
Were you?
Did it sound like that?
It was lower pitched than that.
Is there an animal down here?
Maybe it's a rat.
Rat!
Wait, an animal? Maybe it's my dog, Douglas.
Let's look around some more, you guys.
Yeah, let's keep looking.
What if there is somebody just inside these cabinets?
I think I'm gonna throw up.
Those noises are freaking me out too. Guys, why don't we get out of here, huh? Daniel, you go first.
Okay. All right, here we go. Everybody follow me, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, we're following you up the ladder. Okay.
All right.
All right, let's go.
Come the
Daniel.
ladder. You guys behind me?
Yep.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Right behind you, Daniel.
Okay, by all means, ladies first.
Come on, V, let's go.
Okay, I'm coming.
If this is what Project Zorgo's been looking for this whole time, it's gotta be important. Okay, it's not. That doesn't do anything.
Let's go a little faster, Regina.
That's stuck too.
Melvin, what are you doing?
Yeah, I'm just touching this thing here.
Don't turn the knob. Don't touch it.
What?
No.
Whoa.
No.
Oh my god. Guys, is anybody here? The machine, it just went crazy.
Melvin, I can't see anything.
Oh, goodness.
Where are you? I can't see. Melvin. Melvin.
Wake up, Melvin! Wake up! Melvin!
Let's carry him up the stairs. Come on, Melvin.
Try not to breathe in!
All right, let's go.
Yeah, let's finally get out of here.
Yes, leave this stinking place.
I'm so tired of being down here. I've been down here for like 24 hours. Come on, girls and Melvin, let's go.
You guys behind us?
Wait, what's that?
What's that noise?
Hatch closing in. 10.
What?
What?
The hatch is closing.
No.
Go, everybody, go.
Hey, Regina, Melvin, let's go. The hatch is closing.
Faster.
Come on, Daniel.
It's gonna
7.
close soon.
Come on, girls, let's go.
Go. We don't have
6.
time. Come
Okay,
on.
Daniel, jump out.
Okay. All right, here.
I'll push you out.
Okay, here I go.
5.
Come on, guys. Let's go. Oh, I made it. Guys, you behind me. Follow me. Okay. I made it. Guys, come on.
Come on.
Come on, Chad.
Let's go. Let's go. Hurry, it's closing. It's closing.
Here
we go. Okay.
You wedged it.
Hello.
Guys,
Hello.
where are they, Chad?
Oh, the smoke. We need to get face masks. We need to go down there and rescue them. If we go down there right now without face masks, we're gonna pass out.
Wait, they're all passed out now?
I think so. I don't know. They're not coming up.
Here, take this blanket. Cover it up.
Quick, don't let the fog get in here.
Yeah.
Hurry. We need to go get face masks, Daniel.
Yeah, we do.
Come on, Daniel.
Go.
We gotta pick up those supplies fast.
Yes.
We'll put them in our bags here.
Perfect, yes. We need a lot of supplies, Chad.
Yeah, we're gonna need to get hazmat suits. One for you, one for me. The car won't start, Daniel. Look.
Oh, no. Yes! Oh, thank goodness.
Seatbelts. So they're probably passed out. What if we can't wake them up? What do we do?
We gotta revive them somehow. We gotta siphon oxygen into their lungs.
Yeah, we better bring some sort of device that can put oxygen in their mouth.
Dang, I don't know. What if that doesn't work, Chad?
Well, if we can't wake them up, we'll just have to pull them out. We better buy a rope.
A rope?
We'll put these backpacks on each of them. We'll tie a rope to the backpack. We'll pull them up.
Oh, gosh. Drive fast, but not too fast. We don't want to get pulled over by the policia.
We might get pulled over by that one police that's, I think, part of Project Zorgo.
Officer Gomez?
Officer Gomez.
Yeah, that would slow us down real good. Wait a minute, Chad. What if the gas is poisonous or something?
I don't think that's true though, because you guys told me that I was down there for like a whole day, right?
True, yeah, you
I'm
were.
fine right now, so it just seems like all I did was fall asleep and pass out or whatever. I feel like I just took a quick nap and now I'm awake. I don't think the gas is poisonous or anything.
So they'll be fine.
This should be fine,
Let's
yes.
get some KFC or something then.
No, we don't got time for that. They step out of here. Woo! Man, what is that thing in the middle anyway?
What if that is what Project Zorgo is protecting? That thing that makes the smoke? What if there's something inside and that's why the smoke comes out? It's like a defense mechanism.
That must be what they're after, because they were trying to find the safe house. They want to get down into that hatch. It must be that they're trying to get to. Maybe it's some sort of power supply or something that they need to take over the internet.
That would make sense because there's nothing else in that room, right? It's just an empty room.
I mean, there's some cupboards and stuff that I couldn't get into, but yeah, I didn't see anything of importance at all. Okay, here's where the places where we can buy all the stuff that we need. Look, there's hackers right there. Oh, look, right there, 2 hackers.
Whoa, yeah, look.
What are they doing?
What are they doing?
Oh, wait, they see us. Oh, their ears.
Their ears.
This DeLorean is hacker-proof. Yeah. Oh, no, they're trying to get the DeLorean.
Oh,
I gotta go.
He's chasing us.
Go. They'll never catch us. We left him in the dust now. Let's just go to the shop, get our stuff, and rescue all the spy ninjas.
Yes, let's go.
Yeah. I'm gonna pull into the parking lot here. Then we'll just run into the store, buy the stuff, and we'll go rescue. Get our backpacks.
All right, got mine.
All right, let's go.
Do it. All right.
Okay, got the stuff from the store. I'm gonna load up my backpack here.
Me too.
Put yours in your backpack, Daniel.
Okay, keep it nice and safe.
We gotta hurry. Okay, all right. Let's go back to the safe house. Yes. Okay. Oh, what the heck? What are these hackers doing here?
Why are they putting on the headphones?
I don't know. What do you guys want? He can't hear you. He's got tape on his mouth and headphones on. Daniel, they're trying to communicate with each other, but they have earmuffs and they have mouth. You're buffoons. Wait, he's pointing to my bag. Let go of my bag. Yeah, you come get me. We gotta get back to the DeLorean.
They have the headphones on and the mouth stuff.
Oh yeah, with those headphones, we're gonna have to fight them. The DeLorean won't hold them off. Okay. Daniel, you got this, Daniel. Right. Come on, Daniel. Oh my gosh. What's this guy doing? Wow. Whoa. Oh my goodness! Oh yeah, Daniel! Yeah,
your turn, Chad.
I call this the flying eagle! No! Hit the ground! Daniel, let's go!
Let's go!
My backpack!
Your backpack! Oh god!
Let's go! The DeLorean's right over here! They're getting up!
Oh no!
With the headphones on, this DeLorean doesn't affect their mask anymore. Hey! Come and get me, hackers! Come and get me! Oh, Daniel, get it!
Okay, let's go!
Let's get out of here! Woo!
That was awesome!
Yes, those hackers were pretty smart to put headphones on so this DeLorean wouldn't affect their mask like that.
Yeah. It totally worked. They're learning, but they weren't smart enough because they ran right into the freaking door.
Yeah, that was pretty dumb.
Yeah.
But anyway, we need to get back to the spy ninjas and get them these supplies and get down there and rescue them.
You think they're still okay? It's been a while.
I'm sure they're okay. I don't think that smoke is dangerous. I think it just makes you fall asleep. I'm not sure. I feel fine.
I hope so. Wait, you know what?
What?
I can figure out if they're okay. I can hack that camera you left down there.
Okay, yeah, let's see.
Okay, I got it. It's just Melvin.
Laying there.
He's sleeping.
Is he breathing?
I can see him breathing a little bit.
Oh, good.
Where's V and Regina? Is there somebody down there that like took them?
Don't even suggest that. Oh my gosh, I don't want to think about that. Maybe they're just on the other side of the camera and you can't see them.
Oh gosh, I don't know, Chad. You got to get back to the safe house. Go.
Let's get inside. Got our supplies. All right. Hurry. Quick. Back into the room.
I hope they're okay.
Yeah. Okay. Quick. Throw on your hazmat suit. All right. Got a hazmat suit for me. Yes. Here's one for you, Daniel.
Nice.
These breathalyzers here will revitalize them if they're still passed out when we get down there.
Yes.
And then I have all these face masks here. I got one for everybody. So these allow us to breathe. Let's suit up and head down there. Rescue mission time.
Let's do it.
Woo. All right, Daniel.
Okay, here I go.
Okay, rescue commencing.
You're gonna follow me, right?
I'm coming right behind you, Daniel. You got this, boy. Climb down very carefully.
Okay.
All right, I'm coming. I'm coming, Daniel. I'm coming, V, Regina, Melvin. You just wait. Here we go. All right, down the hatch we go. Woo. Okay, spy ninjas, we are going down the hatch. Daniel's already down there.
Hey, this is scary, Chad.
It sure is. We can do it, Daniel.
Okay, follow me, all right?
All right, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Gotta take it carefully.
We're almost there, I think.
All right. It's hard to climb a ladder with only one hand.
I'm down. Come down, Chad.
I'm coming. All right, I made it.
Come down, Chad.
Oh my gosh, okay, you're up there.
Oh my gosh. Oh gosh.
Take your backpack off, Daniel. Inside, take out the breathing devices.
Okay.
Oh shoot, you don't have any.
I don't have any.
Here, take this camera. Here we go. Breathing device.
Perfect.
Daniel.
Yeah.
Put this on Regina's face.
Okay.
Like that. I'll put this one on V's face.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, we'll do Melvin last.
All right, V. I'm gonna put this on her face. Breathe, V.
Breathe, breathe.
Here, I need to pump the bag.
Pump.
It's fogging up. She's breathing.
She's breathing. Yay!
Get up.
Get up.
It's me, Chad. It's Chad. I'm not Walter White, no.
Daniel, we need to get Regina.
Regina, here. Take this.
Pump it, pump it, pump it.
Speak to me, Regina. Oh. Hey.
Hello? Why is there a bright light? Is this heaven?
No, no, it's not heaven.
No. It's me. It's Daniel.
Daniel?
Yeah.
Jesse? That's what I said too. I thought they were Walter and Jesse.
We need Melvin.
Melvin.
I got you, buddy. Wake up, wake up. Yes, yes. Yeah. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to turn the dial. I was just so curious.
Just be quiet and put this on. Put it on, girls.
All right.
Now, ladies, go up first this time.
Go ahead, Regina.
Go.
Go.
Wait.
What? Oh no.
Do you hear that? I thought I heard the sound coming from over here.
Yeah, it's close by.
What the heck is that?
It was coming from here.
I thought everything was locked.
Wait, we never checked this one because it had the goo on it. What is it?
It's opening.
Whoa!
What is that thing?
It's a boombox!
What's a boombox?
So this is what was playing all that weird sounds.
Maybe.
Let's listen to it.
Wait a second, you guys hear that?
Yeah. Whoa! What was that sound? What'd they say?
I don't know.
Whoa, what was it saying? Did you hear that?